dear friends, a very good day to you all, and welcome back to MIcaKES and More, where my cakes are also yours and more. Well, today I'm going to share with you another special recipe, and this is what we call the Pichi-pichi recipe, which I am going to share with you with a twist because it is creamy, cheesy, and coconutty. Join me and let's start. First, we're going to grate the tapioca or the cassava, and we will be using not the coarse nor the fine side of the grater, but the medium coarse. We are going to carefully grate all the tapioca and cassava. After we have grated all the tapioca and cassava, let us now prepare for the draining or straining by compressing and throwing any excess water. Doing this will give us a firm but smooth texture of pichi-pichi. Now let's prepare the coconut cream and coconut milk. Carefully open the cans of both the coconut milk and coconut cream. First, let's pour in the coconut cream. Carefully mix, then pour in the coconut milk. Mix once again, but make sure not to overmix because we have yet to add the sugar. Once the mixture is quite smooth, let's now put some vanilla powder. Mix a little more. This mixture will have to be divided into 3 equal parts. For this particular recipe, we will be using ube or purple yam essence and pandan, which has a green color. This recipe is very common among Filipinos and best eaten in the morning for breakfast or midday snack. Now we carefully divide this mixture into 3 equal parts. We shall have the following flavors: vanilla, which is white in color, ube or purple yam, which is purple in color, and pandan, which is green in color. This pichi-pichi recipe in English is called grated tapioca with coconut milk and cream. This is a healthy recipe, especially for kids, because it is rich in carbohydrates and because it also has fresh coconut milk and cream. Now let's add color and flavor to our different mixtures. For this, we will be using a toothpick so we get an ample amount. Notice that a little amount gives vibrant and dark colors. Do the same for the purple or ube essence. Now we carefully mix until all the colors are evenly distributed. We leave one bowl of mixture for the vanilla flavor. Now, let's prepare the individual molders. Grease the molders with a butter spray. Doing this will easily demold after steaming later. Now, equally distribute the different mixtures in each of the molders. This mixture can fit 6 small rectangular molders. After transferring the vanilla mixture into molders, now let's do it for the pandan mixture. Level with a spoon for an equal distribution of mixture. Now, let's prepare for the purple yam or ube mixture. Now, tap each of the molders carefully. Now, prepare for the steamer and the different layers of trays. For our first batch, we can use 3 trays at a time, and this is steamed for 20 minutes each. Do the same for the second batch. After which, let it cool for an hour before moving to the next procedure. Now, let's once again spray the containers with butter spray. Prepare the grated coconut and the grated cheese. Now let's carefully demold each of the molders and prepare for coating and dredging with grated coconut and grated cheese. You may slice it the way you want to. I prefer slicing it in rectangular pieces. Now let's prepare for the dredging and coating. One tray for the grated coconut and the other for the grated cheese. I hope you had fun in doing this recipe with me. I'm definitely sure you will love and enjoy doing it yourself. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like and comment, and please subscribe to MIcaKES and More if you haven't yet, and be updated with my future videos. Once again, thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you once again soon. Take care, all the best, and may God bless you. Goodbye.